Hi, I'm Mike with House on the Mend, and in this video we are going to unbox, install, and review these Kassdin Solar Garden Lights. So let's get started.
House on the Mend.
Now, I'm not paid nor sponsored by Kassdin. They simply reached out to me and offered to send me these for free for my independent review. So let's head inside, unbox them, and see what you get in the package. All right, here's everything that comes in the package. You get 4 separate solar-powered light fixtures, 4 stakes, and a very mediocre set of instructions that are very grammatically incorrect. It's obvious it was just put into Google Translate or something, but there's a few things we can take away from the instructions. Let's declutter here a bit. Since all these units are the same, let's remove some and just focus on one. So each individual solar light set has 6 little bulbs up top, and every one of them is on what feels like a little rubberized cover of some sort of wired or plastic cable. Now, the first thing I noticed was that it's not like silk plants where you can really bend these and shape them the way you want, but there is a little bit of opportunity to bend them just a bit if you're wanting to splay them out more. The nice thing about the solar panel here is that it can actually, when put upright, it can be angled down a bit so you can find your solar north. Now, if we look on the back of it, you'll see that there are 2 screws right here to the back cover. Inside of here is 1 rechargeable AA battery. So if it ever seems like it's not properly holding a charge and you want to change out the battery, it's as simple as removing the 2 screws and putting in a replacement AA rechargeable battery. Now, off of this one battery, if it gets 6 hours of charge, it's supposed to last for 8 to 12 hours. Now, this whole unit here is IP65 waterproof rated, so right in their description they say it should hold up to extreme weather. So you don't have to worry about taking it in if it's gotten rained on or anything. And it's also nice that there's no wires like normal low voltage lights that you have to bury under the ground and worry about the little crimp fitting. None of that. This is a completely self-contained unit. Now, the stake looks like your typical straw that you get with like a thermoflask type of drinking container nowadays. It's pretty stout and sturdy, and then at the bottom of it there is a hard plastic point, and it couldn't be easier. It's just a slip fit just like that. Now, when I look at the on-off switch, I notice that it's completely wrapped in rubber, which must be part of that IP65 rating. So that's really nice. It is simply on or off. There is no mid-stage or anything. Now, in some of the video reviews on the Amazon page, I saw the lights actually twinkling like fireflies. I don't see anything here where you can select that, so we'll have to see later tonight if they all go on and stay on, or if after a certain amount of time they start to go on and off intermittently like fireflies. So let's turn all of these on, and I'll set them in here, and let's turn the lights off and see what they look like. Alright, so a really warm, kind of golden color to them. Looks pretty nice. I don't see any twinkling, but we'll leave them on for a while tonight, of course, and see if that starts after a certain period of time. Alright, we are currently filming in July. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so we've got plenty of time to go install these and get them 6 hours in the sunlight to fully charge. And they turn on and off automatically with the sun up and sun down. So one thing the instructions say is not to install the solar panels or the lights near a very bright street light or something that would fool the photocell in here to stay off because it's so bright. You're going to want it to be fairly dark for them to come on. So straight down our front walkway is this really pretty ornamental tree that gets beautiful purple flowers. And so there we go. I installed all our lights out here. They're all facing towards the south so they can get good sun exposure. I was able to like mildly bend them all, as you can see. So now we just wait for nighttime and see how pretty the lights look. So it's 8 o'clock at night, sun's down. Look how great those look. Now, I don't see any firefly activity, but they sure look cute. So I got up early this morning to go to the bathroom and go back to bed. It was about 4:50 in the morning, meaning we were just about 9 hours in. And as you can see in this blurry picture, the lights were still going strong. So I think these are going to be a great addition for our landscaping out here in the front, where other than the front of the house, we really don't have much lighting. They're going to be a nice touch. So if you found this video helpful, will you please give it a thumbs up? It really helps the channel. Also, please consider subscribing. I have a lot more tool review videos coming, and I think you'll enjoy those. I want to thank Kassdin for sending me these lights with no preconceived agreement on what I was going to say in my review. A lot of companies don't do that. They want to have the rights to take a look at the video before I publish it, all sorts of things. But Kassdin has the confidence in their product to just let me have it and say what I'll say, and I appreciate them for that. Now, these particular lights did not twinkle or do any of the firefly kind of look I've seen in some of the Amazon video uploads. But nonetheless, I'm going to leave a link for these in the description below. Full disclosure, those will be an Amazon affiliate link, so if you click on them and end up making a purchase, it won't cost you a thing, but I do get a small reward at the end of the month. Until next time, thank you for watching.